Hello everyone. Hi, hello, namaskar. My name is Ashish Kumar Singh and you are watching Student Farmaish. So from here on we'll be discussing most of our topics, most of our information, notifications bilingually. That is, we don't want to disappoint subscribers throughout India. As of now, I think I'm making this video on the night of May 4, 2020. And as of now, UPSC had conducted a meeting. And what was the result of that meeting? UPSC came with a public notice, with a press notice informing its aspirants that it is not possible to conduct examination till May 20. And further it added that whenever it will conduct the examination, it will inform its aspirants 30 days before. So when UPSC, UPSC is considered one of the toughest examinations of India, and when UPSC comes with its notice, with such kind of information, it is for sure that most of our subscribers will be in a panic situation, because they are also wondering that what is the likely date of IBPS RRB 2020 to happen. So most of the notifications are pending yet, right? Because as of now, let me tell you that SBI clerical mains examination is not yet over. Most of the examinations results are not yet declared, and on January 18th perhaps of 2020, IBPS came with its official calendar informing its aspirants that will be conducting our examination from August 1, 2020. So it is very near, and you know that to conduct an examination, large and you can say huge processes are involved. And what are those processes? It has to declare the number of vacancies first of all. The second thing is that it has to collect the application forms from its aspirants, to collect the examination fees, then decide the centers. And the biggest reason why UPSC deferred the examination, the biggest reason was that most of the centers which were likely to host the examination of UPSC are put under red zones. Every metro cities are now under red zones, and it is near to impossible to reach those centers in this lockdown scenario. So when students are asking me that what is the fate of IBPS RRB 2020, from now to decide that whether it is going to happen or not happen, it is very early, because a process or you can say the examination to happen from August 1, we can wait till June 30, because it can happen that from at the end of the month of May, the scenario will be changed, the lockdowns will be totally over, it will be eradicated, the COVID-19 will be eradicated from this beautiful world. And after that, when aspirants will be filling the application form, they will be getting at least 30 days for their preparation and for filing those application forms, right? So everything totally depends on the lockdown scenario. When the lockdown will be totally eradicated from India, then only we can expect that the bus routes, the air routes, the train routes, everything will be opened. Then only we can expect that August 1 will be the not the tentative date, but the exact date when IBPS RRB will be coming with its notification. So my only suggestion to all of you is that keep studying. It may happen that you will be expecting that no sir, it may go up to 2-3 months, we can't expect IBPS RRB in the month of August. And if by God's grace at the end of the May everything gets well settled, then you will be nowhere, right? Because you will be having no time for your preparation. So a good student is one who is always prepared beforehand. So I will also suggest you that whatever the scenario may be, you are in your home, you are in a safer place where you can prepare for your examination in a better way. So why not? So I'm inviting every subscribers to join our 50 days classes, whether it may be on the topic of SBI clerical mains, it doesn't matter, because the syllabus are the same for every banking examinations, right? So let us keep and hope, and let us not trust any news blindly. We have to use our conscience, or so called as the common sense, to decide what is the authenticity of this news. But as of now, let me tell you friends, for 1 month you cannot expect anything. It is totally like foolishness if you expect that within 2-3 days we'll be expecting some examinations to be conducted, so that is totally foolishness, right? So I will suggest you that at least for 1 month there will be no examination, and after that definitely when the lockdown gets over you will find examinations to be lined up, right? So that's my point of view from here. In my opinion, for the upcoming I think May month and June 15, till June 15 you won't be finding any notification to be declared.